So we got this question. Again, if you'll observe, this is binomial, correct? So it is series of some question. Now, what we have to do as step 1, we have to write down the rth term, which is already given, 6cr, 6c, 6 minus r. Now we have to make, to find out the power of x will be what? Sum of lower subscript, है ना? So what is, and the sum of lower subscript should be free from r. So if you'll add, you will have 6. So we got x power 6. So this result is what? This result is the answer of, means it is question coefficient of x power 6 in the expansion of something. So what is that something? Try to understand. So you know that we have to take help of 1 plus x power 6. Okay, now second also it's same thing, 1 plus x power 6. So on the left hand side these two things will be multiplied, then only we will have nc, correct? So if you will multiply, look at the base is same. So if base is same, power will be added. So 1 plus x power 12. Now in the expansion of this, we want coefficient of x power 6, and that will become the answer. So required value will be equal to what? 12c6. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.